What's up, guys? Mike with NRG Creative. Today I've got a video. I'm going to just say right up front here, it's a rant. So if you're not interested in hearing about this, just go ahead and click off. It won't hurt my feelings. And this has to be done. Hopefully this is a one and done type video concerning the mounts, and copying and OG, I guess it is. But anyway, just let me get into saying this, that, listen, guys, I'm really making this video for one guy. So it only needs to be seen one time. But let me get into explaining a little bit about myself. This mount here, I haven't had this, well, I take it back. I have had a problem one time with this mount right here. There was a guy, this is the only time this has happened up until now. There is a guy in New Zealand who thought and ranted and raved and tried to do all this negative publicity stuff. I don't care if anybody copies my ideas. I don't care if they have something similar to mine. It doesn't bother me. When it bothers me, like this one, is when somebody goes on social media and hijacks my post. If I advertise my product and do a video or something like that, and then somebody comes on there and goes, no, you should check out this one, it's better. Now I'm going to defend myself. Other than that, I leave people alone. I don't care if you have the exact same thing as I do. This mount right here, this is simply an umbrella mount. I actually did a provisional patent on this base and this mount, which really means nothing. If you know anything about the patent process in America, all I have to do is take somebody's idea and change it a little bit, and now it's my idea. So I don't care if somebody copies my design. This one was copied by a guy on eBay. I'm not going to mention his name. I typically don't mention names until it gets really nasty, and then I blast him. The guy from New Zealand, he saw my design and went on a rant saying that I copied his design, flat out accusing me. Well, listen, this is my design. This is his. Do they even come close? Mine has a different attaching method, everything. Anyway, this guy got shot down pretty hard. What was his solution? He just blocks me and continues to do whatever. That's fine. I really don't care. So, to this guy, here we go. Here's what happens, and this is what happens a lot of times. And this is why I do not send out free mounts anymore to anybody, because I get tricked, literally tricked, into sending somebody a mount in exchange for, oh, I'll put you on my store, I'll do this, I'll do that, and then they never do it. They get the mount and they recommend other people. Now, I could go into that story, but I'm not going to. So I don't want to bring any bad publicity or press to anybody. I'm not even going to mention this guy's name, although he has done this to me. So listen, straight to you, okay? Without mentioning your name. What he did is he actually took some of my videos and did what the mainstream media does, is clipped it, certain parts, to fit his narrative. So he didn't bother to post the whole thing so you would see the whole perspective. He just wants you to see his view. So what he does is he takes the video of me talking about my mount and how it's been copied. Listen, let me say this straight up. I even said in that video, of course, he didn't put this part in there, but I said in the video, this is not my idea. You know what? This is not my idea. It's actually Seadoo's. None of these are my idea, but they are my design. I didn't copy anybody's mount, and if he's saying that he's the original and copied, he's pointing out all these dates of when I did my video. When I did my video means this has already been done. It's already been tested. It's been out there several times on the water before I do a video. I don't just put a video out there of something that's never been on my ski. So listen, dude, just because I put a date of a video, or you put a date and say, I was first, I had mine first, How long did it take you to design your mount? Whether you copied it or it was original, whatever, it doesn't matter to me. I don't care. How long did it take you to design that mount, to print it, to test it? Other than yours just got released. You just released it to the public. So if you just released it to the public, and mine have been on my site, which are different than yours, how did I copy you? Listen, dude, I don't care if anybody copied anybody. It's not my thing. I don't care. The only reason I'm coming after you right now is because you plastered my face and everything else all over social media trying to bash me. So here you go. Now, the next time it's going to get real personal, and I will go after the group. I will come after you, and I will give you even more bad press than you're giving me. And when I say it's going to get personal, it means I'm going to give you the same type of bad press and publicity that you're giving me. So don't turn this into some type of a threat, because it's not. It's not a physical harm threat. It's not, I'm not coming after you. I'm not going to hurt you, but I will affect your business as you're trying to affect mine. Understand? I'm a peaceful guy. I'm a reasonable guy. And I love to help people and things like that, but I'm not going to sit by, and I am one that will defend myself publicly when somebody tries to personally come after me or attack my product or in my name. Understand? So right now I'm trying to keep this civil. I'm trying to get this squashed. I don't care about your mount. Really don't. I make my own stuff. So let me put this in perspective for everybody else that's watching. You may cut this part out, but everybody else will see it. Look at my website. Now, not only did I do a provisional patent on this mount, which you use also, but this whole mount here and the base, I did a provisional patent on that, which of course legally means nothing. But I have, this is the first one that came out. It's simply an umbrella mount. Not only do I have this, I have a different style. I have them with the builds. I have them with the flag. I have the combo. I have the side mounts. I have the front mounts in 360 and GoPro. I have numerous items for the seadoo switch. I have so many different designs that I have come up with, and they're on my website, and they have been on my website this entire year. You have one product. Let's use some common sense. You have one product that resembles my mount. I have several products. Who's the OG, buddy? I don't care. I really don't. And like I said in the beginning, with this mount here, this is not my idea. I have been contacted by a guy who I think he is the real problem. He wanted to know, he sent me a really blurry picture of this style. I don't know where the picture came from, and I don't care. I asked him if he had the actual mount or knew of a file or something like that. He said no. So maybe he did this to you as well. I don't know. I don't care. But ask me if I could produce one. Now, this has gone through several stages. So as far as your dates are concerned, just because I put a video out there after you have had yours in the works doesn't mean that's when I designed this. I mean, that's common sense. Maybe you have that, maybe you don't. I don't care. So this has gone through several revisions. It has gone from being this mount here, which turns into this, and it's two separate pieces being bolted together, to, and this thing weighs about 3 pounds, by the way. So it has gone through its stages of this one here, which I'm actually reverting back to this, but I have gotten this to where it comes into this. And I have several different versions of this that you haven't seen yet. So just because I haven't put them out there, and when I finally do make a video like this, this is not the date that I designed this. So while you're out there posting videos of me, I hope you post the whole truth. Like I said, that's not my design, or that's not my idea, but this is my design. Your design looks different from this. That's your design. I didn't copy you. Got it? So let's squash this thing. Be done. I don't want to have to do another video like this, but the next time you post things about me and post my face and post my name and everything else out there, it's coming back at you. And it will come back at the person that tricked me into getting a mount. I don't know if sending these mounts out all over the country was my downfall and people just look at it, because like I said, this was copied. It's on eBay, different things out there. I really don't care. I don't care. That person that copied this design and has it on eBay, I've never made a video about him doing anything, because guess what? He's never come on my post and hijacked it and said, oh no, you should buy this, it's better. Guess what? He has done his own thing. Do your own thing, and I don't care. I look at it and I pass by, just like you should do. You know, I see your friends out there are defending you, and guess what? My friends will defend me. It's just the way it goes. So your friends may jump on board and say, yeah, how can he not admit to copying the design? I didn't copy the design. Plain and simple. Another part of common sense. How would I copy your mount when it hasn't been available? I don't know, dude. Let's squash this thing now. Don't do what you're doing here. Don't badmouth me anymore, because then I'm going to get real personal. So that's just the way it is. Go on with what you're doing. I go on with what I'm doing. Just forget about each other. That's my advice. So take that for what it's worth. The next time you clip videos of me, put the whole thing out there so people can see the whole thing. Understand? I hope so.